Environmental groups are attempting to sue the government over the business practices of the Royal Bank of Scotland. The campaign group, the World Development Movement, also Platform and People and Planet argue that the Treasury is breaking the law by allowing the now 70% publicly owned RBS to support projects with links to climate change and human rights violations. Jenny Wivel has more.
The proposed new coal-fired power station at Kingsnorth in Kent is among the projects environmental campaigners believe taxpayers should not be funding via loans from the Royal Bank of Scotland. Three organisations, the World Development Movement, Platform and People and Planet, are taking the Treasury to court because they claim funding projects linked to climate change is illegal.
The government have made several assertions over the last few years about the importance they're placing on climate change. They've set down legally binding framework in terms of the Climate Change Act, which sets out obligations to reduce CO2 emissions. They have made several statements about the importance of ensuring and protecting human rights, and yet they are saying in terms of RBS investments that they don't even need to consider environmental and human rights issues when they're deciding how to invest public money. We don't think that's lawful.
The organisations believe RBS has loaned an estimated £10 billion to the coal, oil and gas industry since its bailout. It includes £6 billion to the energy giant E.ON, £400 million to Tullow Oil and £116 million to the Scottish oil company Cairn Energy. E.ON is the company aiming to build at Kingsnorth Power Station. Tullow Oil is involved in the extraction of oil on the border between Uganda and the Democratic Republic of Congo, and Cairn Energy runs an accelerated drilling programme in Arctic Greenland. The Treasury has told Channel 4 News, although it remains committed to environmental policies, it will strongly resist any legal action because it's important government shareholdings are managed at arm's length.